Good?
Yep. Aisle number 30. We're on our way to Lake Pukaki. So this is a one-lane bridge, and there's a sign as to who has to give way. And it was us this time, so you have to wait to make sure there's no cars coming, and then you can go. Scenic lookout, turn right 400 meters.
You gonna stop on the road here?
Okay, so we just got to Mount Cook. So this place, we have 2 bunk beds here. So we'll just sleep on the bottom. And then, best part that we have not had yet, we have our own bathroom. Yay! And then they give you amenities. Super awesome. This is the kitchen, the lounge area, and look at this. So this is the kitchen. I'm making coffee. Kitchen, lounge. Robbie is sitting there, enjoying his book. And then look, check this out. Check out the view. Mount Cook. Actually, I don't know if that's Mount Cook.
That is Mount Cook.
That is Mount Cook?
Straight ahead.
And then like all the way up there, you see glaciers. Wait, are glaciers on mountains? They're not glaciers. Just snow-capped. So 2 days ago, someone died while they were hiking all the way up there. We're not going to do that. But an avalanche fell out of nowhere, and this 40-year-old dude from Australia passed away. There's no supermarket around here. We didn't realize.
But it's okay.
But they had like really, we bought beans, we have rice.
And it's probably cheaper anyway this way.
Much cheaper. So
we spend 19 bucks. That's like gonna feed us for 3 meals.
Yeah.
3?
But we left our converter at the other place.
So which I'm mad about. Spent another 7 bucks.
Yeah.
But it's okay. At least we're doing a hike.
So we're gonna do the Hooker Valley hike, which let's just say, okay, check this out.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see today because it's
super cloudy.
Yeah, it's like rain on and off, on and off.
It's not too bad of a rain. But yeah. So is this Lord of the Rings?
I don't think so.
No.
It's pretty cool though.
Yeah. Dashing smile. Give me that dashing smile again. It's gotta be that thing. I think so, I think so. You see it?
Yeah.
So that's the bridge. Oh my god, it's swaying. Ooh,
You okay?
this is crazy. Oh my god. This is really scary. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I don't think I can go all the way. Okay, here. You be the photographer. I think I'm good like right here and then. Can you go all the way?
Oh, it's pretty shaky. Kind of scary.